Hey YouTube, welcome back to this brief tutorial on how to trade options using AI-powered generated signals. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. This is going to be a very short video. I'm going to show you guys the simple process that my wife follows. I taught her this process that you can apply as well to trade options on the various instruments we have in our live stream for the members only channel. Okay guys, we're looking at AMD right here, Advanced Micro Devices. And this particular stock has done very well with the strategies that we've mounted on them. Okay, on average, okay, these moves right here, let me just go right here, your average time in a trade is about 31 days, okay? Which means that whatever option contract you're buying on this instrument, you're going to buy the front month contract. That's how you're going to do it, all right? You see the signal, okay? Go short, okay? Comes up on your screen. What are you going to do? Buy a call option? No, don't do that. No, you're going to buy a put option, okay? You buy a put option. So you go to your chart, do whatever you got to do. You buy your put option for AMD for the front month, okay? Don't buy the weeklies. So you want to let the trade play out. Now, the one thing my wife looks at when she's doing this is she wants to make sure that the phase cycle, which is this band right here, is crossing the zero line as you see it right here, okay? If these two bad boys align, that's a very strong indication for entry right there. So you would enter your trade. You buy your put option, not call option, your put option. Okay, it's making sure you guys are paying attention. And you'd ride this bad boy all the way down until you get an intersect right there. This represents the strongest part of the trade right there. Okay, look what happens to price after. Just starts going sideways. If I put this little line right there, you can see that the price just went sideways for a while, all the way to the band, got to the zero line right there, and then boom, you got another signal as well. You got an intersect right there at the zero line, pretty dang close. You could buy a call option now, all right, and go long, and you go long till right there. That's the intersect. Then look, notice how price just starts going sideways right there, okay? And some people may ask, well, why don't you just hold it until the band goes to the other end? Why? Because when volatility collapses, guys, you lose money on the value of your option. And that's exactly what happens right here. See this big spike, and then boom, you have a complete collapse in volatility. Your option is going to lose value. So you don't want to hold it, just for a few more bucks, to see this. I mean, just get out right here, right there, and you'll be golden, okay? Here we had another short signal. Could have bought a put option right there. Kind of a little bit late to the trade right there, but still it made for a nice little run to the downside. And then pow, right there. That's where you get out. And look what happens to price. It just starts going sideways right there. Now this signal ended up being a dud, and it's okay. Because had you seen the wave come right here, you would have known that price is going to go which way? Up. And that's exactly what happened right there. So that's AMD, and that's how she approaches buying her call and put options on this instrument, as she does any one of the others in the members section. Okay, here's Qualcomm. Now Qualcomm, let's take a peek right here, has an average time in a trade of 34 days. So again, you want to buy the month out contract, okay, for the next month. All right. And it's the same story with this. You've got this bad boy right here. You get out right there, okay, at the intersect. Price goes sideways. Same story, okay? Or you could take it from the beginning and ride that bad boy all the way till you get the signal to get out where the phase cycle ends right here. And look at that. Boom, right there. Nailed it perfectly. Look at that. Perfectly nailed the top and also the bottom. You take that bad boy right there all the way down, boom, and you get out right there, right before price starts moving up against you, okay? So a different way to approach it. to the same thing, okay? That's how you trade options on these instruments. We've got 6 AI-powered strategies in the members area only. Okay, if you guys want more information on that, there's a link right here in the description box. You guys can click on that and find out how to join. But for those who are already members, this is how my wife trades options on these instruments whenever she gets a signal, okay? Always keeping an eye on this and this relative to the signal, and then she places her trades, all right? I hope this helps. I know you guys have had some questions on this, and I just wanted to give you a little more color on the process that she uses to execute her trades. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Have fun trading.